Hello team, happy Wednesday. Today is the best day to prepare, plan, and work your plan towards the end of the week, which is Sunday midnight. So my message for you this week is be responsible. Be responsible in all the things that you are in charge of. Like me, I am a father. I need to be responsible to all the bills in the household, to the food that we eat every single day, making sure that I have enough income every single week so I can pay the bills, I can pay whatever mortgage that we are owing from the bank and everything. So the good thing with this opportunity that we have, you can do more of it. You can pay the bills. You can make more and more to put aside money for savings for your future plans like holidays and future projects. But the thing is, if you are not responsible enough from the number of appointments you can do in a week, from the sales you make in a week, then family will not be happy. Wife or husband will not be happy. So let's do our part. Let's make them proud of who we are, and I want you all to feel that every Friday you have to thank God for this opportunity, because I have never seen anything like this, that you can able to solve all your problem by producing amazing amount of ALP in every single week. So let's go. Let's fulfill our duty of protecting working families, and in return, we will be protected in terms of monetary reward after all our duties, or after doing the hard work that we are supposed to do as a financial advisor. Let's go. I believe in you, so you need to believe in yourself. You can do it. God bless. Bye-bye.